Yo, what's up guys? Back in with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we're gonna talk about the layout VBox on JavaFx. If you guys haven't watched my last video, it's about JavaFx, the basics, and how scenes work, how stages work, stuff like that. You guys can check that out. I appreciate it. Yeah, so today's video is gonna be about the layout VBox. Now, I'm gonna make a video for each layout in JavaFX, explaining in details what each one does, what each one is. But so today's is gonna be about the layout VBox. Alright, so let's say you wanna make 5 buttons and you wanna put them one under each. So the way you would do that is you would use a VBox for that. So let's say we make 5 buttons. Alright, I finished creating the 5 buttons, and also I have to make the scene and the stage and the layout. So if I want to put all these buttons inside the VBox layout, this is what I would do. VBox equals new VBox, and then VBox.getChildren.add all button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5. So we made the layout, we put the nodes in it. Now we have to put the layout in a scene. Now we have to put the scene in a primary stage. And now we have to show the stage. So now if I launch this, it will show me 5 buttons, one under each one. So let's run it. And there we go. Button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5. So VBox basically means vertical stuff. So like whatever you put in it is gonna put in a vertical row. You can also put text, as you guys can see here, and it works pretty well. You can also add gaps between each children. So let's do that. Dot set spacing. You can put a double value. I'm gonna put, let's say, 5.0. You run, and there is spacing between the buttons. You can also position the layout anywhere on the scene. So we can position it with the method set alignment. Position dot, you can put center, center right, top left, bottom right, bottom center. So for this example, I'm gonna try center. Gonna run, and boom. And it's always gonna be in the center, no matter how you resize it. It's always gonna be in the center. Let's try bottom right. We run, always gonna be on the bottom right. So the alignment property is really good for where you want to place the item. Even if you resize it, it's not gonna change the position. That's very good. There's also the next thing, which is fill width. Now what this means is, let's say I want to set my button 1 width to be the max value, which is gonna stick to the corners of the scene. So double dot max value. So if you run it, as you guys can see, if I resize, it's gonna resize, and it's always gonna stick to the sides. So but if you do VBox dot set fill width false, so it's not gonna let any of the buttons or the nodes be the max width. It's not gonna be stretched. It cannot be resized, is what I mean. So if you run now, you guys can see it's back to the preferred size of the node. But if this is set to true, that means it will fill the whole width of the button or the node itself. So it will fill the width, which is basically, it will be the max width, which is double dot max value. So that means it's gonna stretch to both of the sides of the sin. I hope that makes sense. So yeah guys, that's basically it for the layout of VBox. I'll be talking about HBox in the next video, so be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss the video. I really appreciate it. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.